Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the intro of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for urea. Here I am having two packs. This is because of this is differ on their pack size. I am going to explain you these two separately. First we can see the code name is 12176. Urea, you can find the kit content. R1 urea reagent is 5 into 22 ml and R2 urea reagent is 5 into 5.8 ml, and you can find the C certified marking over here, and it is an IVD product, and you can find the temperature maintained should be 2 degree to 8 degree Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack over here. You can find the manufacturing detail. Now I am going to explain you this box. This code number is 121025. This is also used to measure the urea, but this kit content is different. Here you can find that R1 urea reagent is 5 into 44 ml and R2 urea reagent is 5 into 11 ml, and this also a C certified product. You can find the IVD marking over here. This also stored in between 2 degree to 8 degree Celsius, and you can find the manufacturing details below. And now I am going to show you the side view of the boxes. This is the side view. You can find the brand name Erba Mannheim, which is used for Excel system packs. Here you can find the manufacturing details. To summarize it, both packs is used for testing urea, and this is compatible in all Erba machines, but the only difference is their pack size. Here you can find the code number is 121176, which is come with R1 urea reagent of 5 into 22 ml, R2 urea reagent of 5 into 6.8 ml, and here the code number is 121025, and here the kit content is R1 urea reagent is 5 into 44 ml and R2 urea reagent is 5 into 11 ml. This is the overall product. Thank you.